Y'all, look what I got. I finally got my IKEA HOVET mirror. It is so cute. I just feel like you look better when you're like standing in this mirror. Like, ooh, I look a mess right now. But this mirror is everything. I'm about to go ahead and spray paint it because the sides are aluminum and they're silver, and that doesn't really go with the theme of my room. And every time I walk in here, I just see like a silver mirror and it's kind of throwing it off. So I got some gold spray paint and I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this mirror today. I also thought about getting some vinyl wooden adhesive and putting it on the sides of the mirror. I might do that later, but for now I'm just gonna spray paint it gold. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and I filled in the inside edges of this mirror with some masking tape, and now I'm just going to go ahead and put some plastic or some newspaper in the inner portion. I went ahead and I put tape first before I put my newspaper or my drop cloth in the inside, because I really don't feel like the drop cloth or the newspaper is going to get as close to the edge as we want it to get, and I don't want to like take it off and see gold on the inside of my mirror. So to ensure that we keep the gold paint on the edges, I was sure to put some masking tape right here on the rim so that when we peel it off, we know that we have a nice clean edge. Alright y'all, so here is the mirror. I finished taping it off and putting the drop cloth in the inside. I would definitely suggest doing this with newspaper and doing this while the mirror is laying down, because I was honestly struggling, especially when I got towards the bottom. Everything was just all gapping up and it was just like a hot mess, and even the sides were a hot mess, honestly. I kept getting the tape stuck to the plastic drop cloth, and then I would try to tear it, and then we'll put a hole in a plastic, and then like now I have all these holes all over the mirror, and I tried to fill them in with like little tape so it looks like little band-aids. But we here y'all, it was a lesson. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint this thing now. I'm in my backyard about to spray paint and it's hot. So this is how the edge of the mirror looks now. I think it came out so flippin' nice, and I think by using the tape on the inner edges of the mirror, it really helped me get a nice clean line. Even on the areas where I did get a little bit of a little mistake in the corners, I just used some nail polish remover to get it off, or I just used like a blade and scraped it off, and it came out super nice and super clean, and I'm very happy with the results. So that is it for this video. On my next video for my home decor series is going to be a complete room tour. It's been a long time coming, okay? But I have finally completed the room, kinda, sorta. I kind of just feel like it's never going to be complete, so I'm just going to go ahead and film the video for you all. So that'll be my next little interior design with Sue video coming next. Even though I kind of feel like you guys kind of saw the room already with me just, you know, filming it up until that point. I'm still gonna go ahead and film the room tour just because, and I want y'all to act surprised when y'all see it, even though y'all saw half the room already. Okay, so this is how my cute little IKEA mirror came out. I'm really happy with it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.